guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 lines on sitar. So let's get started. The sitar is a plugged string instrument. It is one of the most dominant instruments in Hindustani music. The instrument was invented in medieval India. The sitar became popularly known in the wider world through the works of Ravi Shankar. Some historians believe that Khusrau Khan developed sitar from Veena. A sitar is approximately 4 feet long. It produces music with stretched strings. The body of the sitar is made from wood. The instrument has two bridges, the large and small bridge. The instrument's bridges are made of deer horn, ebony, or camel bone. That's all for this video. If this video was helpful for you, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.